Take out the machine and its accessories. Use screwdriver to install the handpiece holder on the back of the machine. Put the laser applicator holders on the two sides of the machine. There are two spare fuses, which can replace the blown one in the machine when necessary. When the fuse blows, use screwdriver to take it out and then install the spare one in the machine. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it's not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Install the connecting nut of a rotating RF. The same nut is shared by body RF, face RF, and eye RF. Use corresponding handpiece according to the treatment area. Connect the vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the 40K handpiece to the machine. Connect the small laser applicators to the machine. Connect the big laser applicators to the machine. Put all handpieces and laser applicators into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the machine. Press rotating RF function button. Choose proper working handpiece according to the treatment area. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 10 to 20 minutes on each area is recommended. Energy range is 0 to 10, 37 is recommended. Please note, adjust energy level based on individual endurance. RF mode selection. There are NOR and Pro modes. Choose Pro mode for first-time users. NOR is fixed mode. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after stop button is pressed. Pro is smart mode. Energy slowly reaches preset level after the handpiece touches skin. There's a rotating icon on the energy adjustment interface. Press this icon, the working surface of the handpiece can rotate clockwise. NOR mode and Pro mode can be chosen all the time. Rotating RF can be used on the area with severe fat accumulation. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply RF gel or cream to the areas evenly before treatment. Do not perform the treatment on dry skin. Choose body, vacuum, and RF function. 10 to 15 minutes on each area is recommended. 37 energy level is recommended. Please note, adjust the energy level based on individual endurance. Choose Pro mode for first-time users. Suction time range is 0 to 9, 3 to 7 is recommended. Release time range is 0 to 9. 1 to 3 is recommended. Please note, you can adjust suction and the release time manually based on personal needs. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply essential oil to the target area evenly before treatment. Do not use thick cream products in case there's blockage. The knob for adjusting suction is on the top of the machine. You can use it based on individual endurance during the treatment. Turn it clockwise is to increase suction, and turn it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. When release time is 0, the handpiece is at a status of constant suction. Choose 40K function. 15 to 20 minutes on each area is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. Mode 1 is constant working mode, suitable for those who have thick fat accumulation and need to reduce fat. Mode 2 is discontinuous working mode, suitable for those who have fat on some areas and want to shape body. Mode selection. Mode 2 is recommended for first-time users. Then press button to begin the treatment. Apply dedicated gel to the target area evenly before treatment. Please note, make sure there are no metal objects like ornaments on treatment receiver. Those who have metal implants in their body cannot use this machine. It cannot be aimed at heart and bones, so no treatment on back and chest. Choose lipo laser function. 15 to 30 minutes on each area is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. The upper row displays the energy level of large laser applicators. The triangle sign indicates the energy level of corresponding laser applicator can be adjusted. When the triangle sign appears above the leftmost bar, the energy of all large laser applicators can be adjusted simultaneously, and when the triangle sign appears above the other bar, the energy level of corresponding large laser applicator can be adjusted. The lower row displays the energy level of small laser applicators. When the triangle sign appears above the leftmost bar, the energy of all small laser applicators can be adjusted simultaneously, and when the triangle appears above the other bar, the energy level of corresponding small laser applicator can be adjusted. Mode selection. M1. Constantly on, suitable for those who have severe fat accumulation. M2. Low frequency flash, suitable for those who want to consolidate effects to shape body. M3. High frequency flash, suitable for those who are slightly fat and want to slim down. Fix the laser applicator on the treatment area with binding strip. There's no need to apply gel. Press button to begin the treatment. Take out the laser applicators and then untie the binding strip. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.